Oh, it feels good working so hard. Years go by, now it paid off. I'm a mother, alright, her smile so broad. Thank you, Lord. Oh, it feels good working all night. Years go by, now it's alright. Never stop from fight. Oh, yes, I'm a could do me just right. Yeah, man, that's suffer for a billion years. No more want to be a billion years.
Outfit of the day, dirty food. Paparazzi hot. What your name? Introduce yourself to your vlog.
With dirty food.
What's a dance with me? What's a dance now? Oh my god, this is... Oh, sorry. Them talk about my like every day. I talk about them like now one day. It's not go so easy. Easy the city. Yo! Kylie. But look dark. Red clothes on fleek. Then no trouble, one not trouble, yo. One bill, liquor bill. Punky, you see something flat now? 17 a man. Make it. Make it so funky.
Carry and gone.
Hello, you tell. You might have something. Wash him, I got some of that person. Yo. Yo, would that fit me? Mando. No. We have to vacate 1 minute.
Let me see vlog what you just do with dirty food.
What's the dance now?
This is a dancing song.
No. Okay, dance.
Let me see vlog and tap.
Come on for me.
Memory. Oh, yeah, fight me after.
Pretty like a eyeball. Yo. Yo. Forgive what's the next dance again.
No. Come on, we're ready.
What a vlog world. You don't know. It's your girl Melicaskylife in the place.
And Punky Skylife
in the place.
Yo!
Yo! But just to come from work. And I'm going down now to do some work. And what's me say me come on do? Yeah.
Your
e-commerce?
No, with the mic. What that?
Oh, me have a voiceover for do.
Yeah.
Me have a work for do for somebody. So that me I go down go do now. But Skylife go and big up on a nice clean self. Guess what? Click subscribe. Right guys, turn on the notification button so when I upload, when you can see it. See it. Yes. Me still not gonna do my eyebrow today. Me just no want up on the road too much. In a Montego Bay like it crowded and the heat down there is so hot. The heat is so hot, right? Yeah, so I come home maybe weekend because
cool.
weekend me fi go a dentist. So I'm gonna go to the dentist on the weekend and then I'm gonna do my eyebrows the same time. And stuff, you don't know. Keeping it jiggy.
I'm out. Do it now.
I'm out. Stress out Punky, you know. Me woman. Walking down in the yard now. Tired. That's mommy right there. That's the goat right there. Mommy, say Skylife TV.
Skylife TV.
Say something. She clean like a eyeball for me camera, you know. Good teeth. Outfit of the day.
I eat, man. I
eat. Punky, I go back up a road. Yeah, go back up a road.
Put them in your pocket, Punky.
That's mommy right there. Spunky right there. So I go back up a road. Now I go in.
Let me see you put it on YouTube.
Straight up there, YouTube.
On your phone ready when you
Look at my new shoes. Let me see my shoes. Turn on the back, let me see. Turn on, let me see back.
Alright, man, alright.
Bullfrog shoes.
Come on.
Punk, let me see for your foot them. Show me for your shoes.
It red. It wet like a chalk. Put them white. Come on, no.
Happy show them, you know. Hey, vlog world. We're in Montego Bay now, having a little outings with the baby. You know, the Skylife TV. Go and keep it locked. It's your girl Melicaskylife. That lighting though. Tie we and let go. Tie we and let go. Tie we and let go in something. Pitney let it go. Tie we in. Me not laugh with the let go.
Shut up. Me no capital no shut up. What is the capital of Cuba? She don't know. I don't know.
Across. We have Shanta right here. We have Kin right here. We have Adrian right here. We have Tywin right here.
We can the outfit of the day.
You can't muggle down this one here. Tywin. We have two camera. Tywin. Tywin. Marshall. Come and take you out. Come, stand up. Tywin a foot stop.
Hey, it's not relevant to World War I or II. What does the Roman Empire have to do with World War I or II?
This is Chantel.
Hi.
This is my man, Adrian. Them a curse about history and World War II.
So nerdy, right?
I'm saying. Adrian, say hi.
Melika.
Anyways, I'm gone. Out. Peace.
Chantel right there. Say something to you, vlog. So Skylife.
I don't like vlogging, but this bitch is forcing me to vlog. So I'm here looking fabulous vlogging for her.
What am to you? Eh? What am to you? Answer me. What am to you? You come like me don't know what I'm doing down here, so. You want to come out?
You may be
Stand up. No. You pampas?
Come on, see penis now. But Adrian is still wrong.
Morning, vlog. You don't know, this is Bunny right here. Andre. Hey! Bunny, give them a joke for me with the lady on the bus.
Which joke?
With the lady on the bus.
Which lady? You remember?
Hold tight.
What?
Hold tight. Granny, hold tight.
Oh.
Better your mama on.
Just tell them the joke now from the start.
I owe them. I don't know who.
Just tell the camera a joke.
Alright. It's like this old lady now, they're on the bus. And
Yeah,
I'm
and
not
I'll cover it,
photogenic, so stop putting on my face.
Hold lip on this hand here. Hold it over here, so. Yes. Tell them a joke now.
Yeah.
Hold up the camera.
It's like this old lady, then.
Carry down a little bit. Carry down a little bit, yeah.
This old lady now, the power one bus one day I got town, so she in a Miglai bus stand up and the doctor now asks her, say, Granny, you hold tight. Your granny to it now. Better your mama one.
Hey, that joke cracks me up all the time, yo.
It better.
Yeah, I was dropped. It's Skylife family. Say hey, Skylife.
Hey, Skylife.
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're walking to take. You never have to say yeah. We're walking to take drive now.
You're walking to take drive now.
I'm a bit late. I'll come here and waste time.
Me too. 2 hours. So, what favor?
So.
Yes, Mary.
I don't know.
Which days?
Today a Friday.
Go on. You're good?
Going to work.
You got yourself.
I don't think I have anything to do in town after work, but where you look, funny girl? You depend that my youth.
Morning.
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 Yes.
The girls them reply. Why? Reply, the girls them reply. Why? Yeah,
Check out my things to camera my youth.
Eh?
You want next joke?
Alright.
What's your mama? This is your job.
It better your mama one.
Tell my next joke, man.
Yeah, me grow and so still not many so
How long you take?
Yeah, me get big so I'm big on Matthew. I have ear for my friend Matthew.
Tell someone that joke, my
Oh
youth.
God. Can I get the dolly? Can I have the dolly please? Hello?
Come over here, sir. Your hand tired.
Yeah, honey.
Come over here, sir. Come over here, sir, me say.
Wait now. You can't wait.
Say, you're not running in the morning again, my youth.
Yeah, me I run of course.
You look slim.
Of course I'm looking slim. Maybe me have the virus, but I'm not sure.
So, when are you there?
Tuesday.
One day off?
Yeah. When I hear one. So I can stop come up here.
Saturday, Sunday.
You
We
know
did
live
down,
up-
so.
You know live up here again.
Come up from like
So me
a
can
week.
go and spend some time with you.
Week ago. Wait, Damian? Yeah, if I when me I look out for me now, see I come down to my youth.
No, I mean where you there now. You can't come to me.
I don't want no money in the place.
You have a place there? Okay. You pay me for you, right?
Fidua.
Got you.
Right, the taxi this.
So me,
So we're going in a drive now.
So where you going now?
So Skylife TV. Keep it locked.
We are going, yo, keep it real. Soon for
Thank you so much for stopping by Melicaskylife TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.